subscribers! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is December 7, 2020, Monday, 3:51 p.m. Day 7 of our vlogmas. So far, so good. So, nakaya ko naman yung 1 week straight of uploads. Good job to me, okay? So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup haul in front of you guys. So this is from the brand Ellana Mineral Cosmetics. So nandito lahat sa box na to, yung mga makeup na binili ko from them. So, ayan. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Ayan, okay. Sabay-sabay po natin siyang buksan. Wait, in 3, 2, 1. May pa-letter si Mayor. Joke. This is not a letter. Para lang siyang gift card na, something. Pero, dito nakalagay yung lahat ng in-order ko from them. So, actually, dumating to ng 2 beses. So, inipon ko na siya lahat para makapag-haul ako. Anyway, ayan. So, this is gonna be in no particular order, guys. Kung ano lang yung makuha ko sa box, okay? So, first is this one. This is a makeup brush. It's a dual makeup brush. Ayan. This is the left side and this is the right side. I'm not sure, pero ginagamit ko to for my blush or powder. And then this one, I don't know. I just use it kung kailan ko gusto. So, ayan. So, as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup right now. So, ano na lang, kung ano yung makukuha ko dito, I will try them on for you guys. Okay, so this is the first one, the brush, the dual head makeup brush. Then we have here pang kilay. This is a brow pencil with 2 shades. Next, we have here the brow pencil. Hindi katawa kayo, makatawa ko! Hindi mo pinagpipilihan ko. Okay, so, by the way guys, I'm so sorry about my background kasi meron silang ginagawa na hindi ko alam. So, tina-transfer kasi nila yung kama from that room to this room kasi I don't know why. But anyway, just don't get distracted. So, just eyes on me please. Anyway, ang ingay nila. Anyway, so we have here brow pencil, 2 shades. The first one is light brown, tapos the other one naman is dark brown. So let's compare and see. This one is dark brown. Kaya nag-order ako ng 2 shade kasi yung dark brown, it's kind of dark for my preference. Gusto ko... Nabali! Oh my god, ang tanga-tanga ko talaga forever. Nabali siya, guys. Oh my god. Anyway, ito yung color niya. Gusto ko pa naman to. This one is lighter. Light brown is lighter than dark brown, obviously. Pero, ayan, mas gusto ko to kasi it looks more natural. Ito yung ginamit ko right now, yung light brown na shade. Pero nabali ko siya. Tanga ka, girl. And then, we have here the Rescue Shampoo Bar. It's a dandruff-free and healthy hair. So, actually, 2 yung ganito ko, pero ginamit ko na siya. Kasi buy one, take one to. I don't know. I forgot the price na, pero I will put it down sa description box na lang or sa screen. It has tea tree, neem, and peppermint. So, it's vegan, cruelty-free, for delicate skin, environmental-friendly, and made without parabens. Kasi meron akong guys, parang meron akong dandruff, pero I'm not sure if dandruff to or like allergy lang. Next one is this one. I got 2. It's a beauty balm. So this is for like skin emergency. So it's a balm to the rescue. It's mix of 10 ingredients featuring Camian wax. And it can instantly soothe your skin. Ano ba yan? Hindi siya nagpo-focus. Yes, it's light and cooling for your lips or any other patch of your skin that needs immediate care. So, like this one, for example, this one, I don't know, pero parang nagda-dry yung skin ko lately. Parang gumaganito siya, mga patches. Yeah, here, tapos sa dito sa neck ko, it looks super yucky. So, I won't show you guys that na. But yeah, that's the reason why I got this. It smells like cocoa. And naka-sale siya. Like legit na affordable na lang. That's why I got 2. So, sana effective to, no? It will expire sa year 2022 naman. So, okay lang na dalawa yung kinuha ko. So, matagal pa siyang ma-expire. Meron akong cream na ginagamit for my rashes or for my dry skin. Pero, hindi siya, like, it's 400 plus something. This one is around 100 plus only. Kasi nag-sale nga siya, diba? Paulit-ulit. And then, we have here another one for the brows. This is the Life Proof Eyebrow Gel in Dark Brown. Ayan. So, ito yung ginagamit ko for the eyeliner na like, if gusto kong mag-eyeliner na hindi liquid. This is a gel type kasi. So, yeah. This one, this is a loose multi-purpose powder in Halo. Super love ko yung highlighter. Super love ko yung highlighter ng Ellana Mineral Cosmetics kasi, guys, very, very, very pigmented. I also got two. Grabe. Order talaga ako. Actually, ibibigay ko to sa, sister ko. Yung isa kasi gusto ko mapatry to sa kanya kasi super nice talaga yung highlighter nila. So, like for example, this one. Wala yan, guys, ha? Look. Oh my God. Diba? Gusto ko talaga yung parang highlighter nila. Pwede to sa highlight sa face, sa eyes, sa nose, sa chin. Yeah, for use on eyes, lips, and cheeks. So, this is a loose multi-purpose powder. So, if you're looking for something na affordable, para siyang, ano nga yung sikat na highlighter na maganda din yung pigment. I think it was Elf? I'm not sure. Pero, this is so underrated, guys. It's a powder form pala. Wait, I think hindi siya nakikita sa cam. But yeah, it's a powder. Okay, maglalagay. Oh my God. A little goes a long way talaga sa product na to. And matagal siyang mauubos. For example, this one. Oh, diba? Girl, it's so pigmented. Like, super ganda talaga siya for a highlighter. And affordable. I forgot the price, pero the last time I checked, affordable, parang kaya lang naman siya sa, budget. And I also got Strawberry Vanilla Lip Scrub. I also got two of this. And yeah, it's yung flavor niya is strawberry. It looks like this. So nagamit ko na siya and it really helps with my dry and patchy lips. So you have to just rub a small amount to your lips and wipe off with a tissue. Oh my God. Okay. So use before applying and removing matte lipstick. Mabango din siya and masarap yung gives your lips a plumping effect. Meron siyang tint. And masarap siya. So, ginaganon ko lang sa lips ko. Then, after, guys, yung lips ko, it's gonna be smooth and magiging siya. Parang ganito. Mas, what do you call that? Volumize or nagpa-pump. I forgot the term, pero parang kung Angelina Jolie after. So after that, just get tissue or wet wipes. Then, wipe it off. Gusto ko din yung lip scrub nila. Maraming magandang reviews yung lip scrub nila. That's why I got myself one. Actually, two. For me and my sister nga. And, oh! It's here! Ta-da! Ito pala yung another lip scrub. So, it's two lip scrubs. Two strawberry lip scrubs. I'm not sure if merong ibang flavor yung lip scrubs nila, pero strawberry yung kinuha ko. I think wala naman. So, sister, if you're watching this, this is for you. I'm so thoughtful talaga. Anyway, next one is this for the face. I got two din for me and my sister again. Parati ko siyang iniisip, guys. Okay, so next is this one. Ta-da! I actually got two. So, yung dalawa is Pressed Mineral Foundation. Tapos, yung other two naman is Lip Drunk Blush. So, as you can see, pare-pareho yung packaging nila because if you will buy, like, for example, this one. If you will buy a Lip Drunk Blush, nakalagay siya sa isang Ziploc na bag. Or like, for example, the Pressed Mineral Foundation, nakalagay siya sa isang box. And then, you have to buy this separately pa. This is around 50 pesos or 99. I think 50 pesos. This is only 50 pesos yung case. Then, nakalagay siya dito sa plastic. Wait. Ayan. So, di ba, wala siyang laman. So, ikaw pa yung maglalagay ng, ng laman niya. Like, for example, this one. Bale, yung binibili mo na product from them is only this. This one. And then, nilalagay mo siya sa, sa parang case ng makeup. What do you call this? Makeup compact? Makeup case? Makeup case nila. Nilalagay mo siya dito kasi, ayan, like this one. Tapos, nilalagay mo yung pinaka mismong product, like this one, the Pressed Mineral Foundation with SPF 50 sa case nila. So, ayan, ilalagay mo lang siya ng ganyan. And then, pak! You're good to go. So, ayan, ganyan lang siya. So, this one is a girl. It's an artwork by Lavina Verdolaga. Nandito sa likod, guys. Ayan. So, diba? Gusto ko yung may pa-foil na sa likod, na print. And then, of course, I got two for me and my sister. Hindi ko nilagay yung Pressed Mineral Foundation niya sa case niya kasi, siya na lang yung maglalagay herself. Kasi baka sabihin niya, ginamit ko pa, diba? And this is in the shade, iba-iba kasi kami ng shade. I'm lighter than my sister. So, yung lightest shade is this one. Yung lightest shade ata yung kinuha ko. Tapos yung sa kanya is yung middle na shade lang. And then next is yung other two naman na makeup palette. Makeup palette? Is this a makeup palette? Yung shade nito is, I forgot the shade of this. Yeah, I forgot the shade of this. I will just put it here sa screen. And then yung other one naman, it's Peach Bellini. Yung shade ng blush, yung lip drunk blush na binili ko. So, dalawang shade, iba't iba. Hindi ko pa to nabubuksan, but as you can see, medyo brownish tong side na to, which is a perfect shade for me. Then this one is parang fresh lang. I will try it in front of you guys na lang so that you can see yung sa akin na shade. Ito yung pinili ko na shade kasi gusto ko yung medyo brownish. So, ayan. Ang bango din ng blush nila, guys. Like, girl! Look! Ang bango! Oh my God. Tapos, parang meron siyang, what do you call that? Shimmer finish. Yung blush. Tapos, ang bango niya pa. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Kita ba sa cam? Then, you can also make this as a lipstick pala. Oh my God, wait. I'll show you guys. Nagbe-blend din siya. It blends easily sa face nyo. Okay, so I will use it as a lipstick. Para akong nagsuot ng lip gloss, pero in reality, I'm not wearing lip gloss. It's just that yung finish lang talaga ng drunk blush nila is merong parang shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see it, pero parang meron siyang shimmer. Ayan. And then yung isa, hindi ko pa siya binubuksan kasi gusto kong siya na lang yung magbukas nito. But yung downside lang ng packaging nila is hindi mo nakikita kung anong shade yung ginamit or yung binili mo. Oh, I have a pala here. Parang order list. So, baka nandito. Wait. Okay, so wala ding shade pala, guys. And then last but not the least is this one. It's a setting spray. It's a Flower Power setting spray. I also got two. Kasi I was thinking na ipag-giveaway na lang yung isang ganito. Diba, dalawa-dalawa yung binili ko. So, actually, yung hiningi ng ate ko is yung lip scrub at saka yung compact powder. Tapos, yung iba na dalawa, isasali ko na lang siya sa giveaway ko. Anyway, ito yung setting spray natin. This is the Flower Power setting spray. Ayan. It doesn't smell anything. It's odorless. Meron pa akong isang spray from Ellana Mineral Cosmetics. Wait, I'll get it for you guys. Here you go. Pero malapit na siyang maubos kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Super babango niya. And then, meron din siyang parang shimmer inside the bottle. So, after you spray it on your face, meron siyang parang like glittery effect, yung panjak-panjak. So, let's try it. Hopefully, makita siya kasi nagsha-shine yung face ko. But, yeah. See, like, look at my face, guys. I-compare nyo siya nung nag-start ako sa video na to. Tapos, now. Then and now. Ayan, diba? Wala, hindi ako naglagay ng foundation. Like, lip drunk blush lang, kilay, at saka yung spray. Yun lang yung ginamit ko. Tapos parang glowy-glowy na. Oh my God. Maganda nga siya sa personal. Maganda siya tingnan sa personal. So, I don't know if na-justify ba ng cam ko. But yeah, that's everything that I got from Ellana Mineral Cosmetics. That's it for our video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching our day 7 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at Skye. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our day Vlogmas. Day 7. Day 8. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our Vlogmas Day 8. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.